Okay, for this one, now we know that a sphere, you can say, is 2/3 pi radius squared height, right? But since the radius, it's going to be the same thing all the way around. So the radius is going to be the same. If it's 3, if the radius is 3, that means the diameter, the height, is going to be 6, right? So we actually know we have another formula that we've looked at, that we've memorized, right? It goes, and you could use this one too. So you can plug in a number here if you wanted to, right? You can plug in, if you wanted to do it here, you can plug in 3 for the radius and 6 for the height. But we have another formula that worked as a shortcut. So when you have a sphere, you could also do this. Four-thirds pi radius cubed, right? So if you want to memorize that, it's faster, right? Because now you just say 4/3 pi, we have the radius of 3, cubed. So radius cubed means 3 times 3, which is 9, times 3, which is 27, right? So that's 4/3 pi 27, right? Now you could do 4/3 times 27. It's all multiplication, doesn't matter, right? So if you want, throw that over 1, make it a little bit easier, right? 4 times 27 is 108 over 3. So 108 divided by 3 is 36, right? So that leaves you with 36 pi, right? That's the area of the entire thing. But what did this question ask? Right? The question says the ball is being filled with air. What's the approximate volume of the air if the sphere is 1/4 full? Right? So let's do 36 times pi, because that's what we have right here, right? We have 36 pi. So we'll use, if you want to use your calculator and use the pi symbol, or you could just approximate, you could say 36 times 3.14, whichever you want. Right? So if you did that, you get 113.04. And it says 1/4 full. And we know that 1/4 is, you could either do 1/4 or you can use 0.25. So now you can just say that 113.04 times 0.25. Right? And that equals 28.26. So it's about this one right here, because it says approximate. That's why you could use 3.14 or you could use pi. And that's how you get that answer. But remember, this is the shortcut one. Remember, we said that if you have a cylinder, right? That's not a cylinder, that's terrible. Right? But if you had a cylinder, pretend that's a cylinder, right? And you had a cone, and you had a sphere, right? We said that the sphere plus the cone would equal a cylinder. So that's why you can use this original formula, right? The cone is, well, the cylinder is pi radius squared height, right? The cone is 1/3 pi radius squared height, because it's a third of the thing, and the sphere is 2/3 pi radius squared height. So if you remember it that way, do it that way, right? This is just kind of the shortcut way, and that's it.